Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a set of repair spare parts accessories specifically designed for the DJI Mini 2 drone. This particular set includes key components like the body shell, motor arms, the ESC board, and the 3-in-1 flexible flat cable. These are described as brand new and high quality, intended as direct replacements for original damaged parts. The idea is to restore the drone's functionality and ensure it works normally again, potentially extending its lifetime and improving performance after repair. Now, the product description mentions easy to replace, and reasonable design makes it easy and convenient to install and remove. However, it also explicitly states that these parts require professional maintenance experience. This is a crucial point. While the parts themselves might be designed for straightforward replacement by someone who knows what they're doing, this isn't a job for a novice. Attempting these repairs without the necessary skills could potentially cause further damage to the drone. Think about common issues a Mini 2 might face. A crash could damage the body shell or break a motor arm. Electronic issues might require replacing the ESC board or that delicate flexible flat cable which connects various components. Having a set like this available means that a repair technician or a highly skilled hobbyist has the necessary components readily at hand. Using parts specifically designed for the Mini 2, like these, is generally recommended over trying to adapt generic components. The fit, form, and function are designed to match the original specifications, which is vital for a complex piece of equipment like a drone. The reasonable design mentioned likely refers to how these parts integrate into the drone structure, making the replacement process as efficient as possible for a professional. So, while the description highlights the ease of replacement, it's essential to remember the caveat about professional experience. For those with the skills, or for repair shops, this set appears to be a valuable resource for keeping DJI Mini 2 drones flying after damage or component failure. It provides the core structural and electronic parts needed for many common repairs, ensuring that a damaged drone doesn't necessarily mean the end of its flying days.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.